Today, I'm going to be going over a couple new projects that you may not have heard of, but need to keep on your radar. Let's dive right in. So the first project I want to be going over is Bizarria. And as you see here, it is very early. And I want to give a quick shout out to the NodeX guys. They put me onto this project. But looking in their Twitter, you can see how everything's animated. And going on to their different tweets, you can see that they have multiple different characters as well. But their artwork is fire. Like I said, all of it's animated. It's very new and early as well. So just keep this on your radar and have their post notifications on as well. The second project I want to be going over is Swans Nft. This is very early as well. And as you see here, it's a free mint, no roadmap, no promises, and Discord is yet to be launched. Their sneak peek that they released has 7,100 views and they've only launched in April 20th, so it's still very early. And the owner, he follows me. I've been talking to him in the DMs. I've asked him if he could share more info. He hasn't got back to me yet. As you see here, he currently owns a Moonbird, and he is also followed by notable people like Dots, Sean, Voltura, Act, Otto Suen, and all these other guys as well, like Takoa, Crypto, Gorilla, and Jumpman as well. So this is, like I said, very early. If there's more info, I will update you guys either on another video or on my Twitter. Make sure you guys follow that as well, but have notifications on for this and just keep this on your radar as well. The next project I want to be going over is the Asura project, and looking at their timeline, you can see it has a lot of engagement. And this is very early. A fellow llama actually introduced this project to me, but they've released a quick sneak peek that has a ton of engagement and has like 14,000 views. This is it right here. And honestly, like I mentioned in my prior video, when projects bring that or have that emphasis to put out content on like their socials, it shows that they really care about their marketing and they really care about what they put out for the people. And just looking at this, it's very clean. And as you saw, they are mixing anime with streetwear, so it's kind of like Azuki and what Azuki's doing. But like I said, this project is very early. Their Discord's locked at the moment. There's not that much information as well, but just keep this on your radar. And the last project I want to be going over is Project PXN. As you know, from the day you're seeing this, they minted on May 4th at 11 p.m. Eastern time. And the way it worked is it was a Dutch auction with 4,000 supply for the public mint. And the way they did it to prevent a gas war was there was a queue system on their website. So at around like 11 p.m., you had to hard refresh their website. And the way it worked is once you got through the queue system, you were able to mint on the website. And as you see here, you could mint up to 2 NFTs. Looking at what the founder Ray said on his Twitter, thank you for the overwhelming support. The #1 goal and priority was to prevent a gas war. We kept it a secret for many days, bearing the FUD to keep a botting to a minimum. So as you see here, he's done something revolutionary and something different. And I always emphasize that something different always makes the space, it really grabs people's attention. Seeing what he did was honestly mind-boggling, and to see how well they executed it and how well the smooth went, it was really dope. And just looking at the contract and all the mints that happened, you could see that people went through with 0.008 gas. Some people paid in excess just because they wanted to mint as soon as possible. I fell victim to that. I didn't know that I could have just sent high priority and just leave it at that. I didn't have to adjust my GUI. But like you see here, people play different amounts. You can see 0.05, 0.04, 0.02. It varies on the person. As you see, someone here paid 1.4 in gas, 1.6, 2 ETH in gas, 2 ETH, 0.27, 0.27. So overall, they've done really well. It all depended on the person, how much GUI they wanted to send, but people were going through with 0.001, like I just mentioned. And just seeing how well they've done this and executed it and just kept it to a bare minimum amount of FUD is just mind-boggling to me. And I honestly hope that they have the best success with their project in the future as well. If you guys enjoy my content and want to stay up to date for all the latest alpha, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay up to date. I hope you have a wonderful day.